Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to block unknown or private numbers in your Galaxy A23. This basically means you'll only receive phone calls from numbers saved in your contacts list. Everything else is going to be blocked, whether it's a private number, a hidden caller ID, or even a number you've not saved. To do this, simply go to your phone's dialer and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then tap on settings and then go to block numbers. And on this page, you can go ahead and add contacts you want to block. These are saved contacts, or even a specific phone number you want to block. But if you want to block all unknown and private numbers, simply enable that. And that's going to block all numbers that are unknown and numbers whose user ID or caller ID has been blocked. Thanks for watching and good luck, guys.